On the left, you'll see a section that says Book Tab. If you click Visit this book tab, it will take you to your book's specific page. If you would like to make changes to what you see, you can enter Edit mode, and if you would like to see what this page looks like for the average viewer, you can choose the See Reader View option on the top right. This gives you a nice overview of your book, including its cover, its title, a large Get It Now button, the ability to select between ebook and print formats, and if you scroll down, you can see the book's description that you created. Further below the description is the Other Books by this author section, and the About the Author section as well. If you click the Get It Now button, a list of retailers where your book is available will appear. People can easily click their preferred platform or service to find your book. Rather than having to link people to a variety of individual storefronts, by linking directly to the Book Tab page, you are able to offer all the possible locations where they can find your book with a simple click. For example, when you click the Smashwords store, it will give you a prompt that says Preferred Store. It says we can save your preference so you always go straight to Smashwords when clicking a universal link. If you would like to do this, you can check the Set Preferred Store to Smashwords box, and every time that you go to click the Get It Now button, you will be sent to Smashwords first if your book is there. Otherwise, you can simply click Continue, and it will visit the Smashwords store this one time, without setting a preference. And as you can see, it takes you straight to the Smashwords page for your book. This UBL Universal Book Link feature is incredibly helpful for authors to help market their book in a very easy, centralized way. All you would need to do is use this Copy Link button next to your universal link, and you could paste it on social media and various platforms to easily share access to your book on all of its various storefronts. You can also easily access your Books2Read Universal Book link from your Draft2Digital account by going to the My Book section, clicking on the name of your book, and you will see the section that says UBL and shows your link. You can simply click the copy button from there for easy access. The Books2Read portion is completely optional, so if you do not wish to use it, you do not have to. But it can be very helpful and beneficial in sharing one link that gives readers access to all of your storefronts, so they can easily choose for themselves where they would like to purchase your book.